guys. Good afternoon. Love you all. We are in the IKEA supermarket. In this supermarket, don't sell anything to eat. Just things for house. Things for house they sell. They don't sell what they eat. So we are here to select cupboard, beds. So I am rolling with you guys to see what we are doing today. Let's go together. I am looking for beds, my children's bed for the boys. I'm looking for the boys' bed. So today we are selecting beds for here. We are going around to look whether we see the one. Wardrobe. So place to put a shoe we are looking for. Place to put shoe. This one, what do you think? No, this one is for clothes. This one is for clothes. Okay, this one, we are checking this one. You know, they don't talk too much here. We are talking small because people is many here. So this very one, maybe we will choose this one because mostly this one they are very cost. So, or this. Okay. What do you think, guys? That white one will be the arches one. Which one I think? Comment to me. Comment so that I will see it. What do you guys think? My husband said that one no. So you are going to choose this one because there are two boys. So you are choosing this very one. This very one. So I don't know because me I like that one. So I say it's too fast. So you are choosing this. The single one that is we'll take it two. That is single, we'll do it, we'll arrange it. So what do you comment so that you will know? This very one. You know they don't share too much here, sorry guys. So we are choosing this very one. This very one we choose. So there are two boys. So we take it 1-1. So we'll take two. So the double one, that very one, we do that side. The double one, my husband said no, but that one is very cost. So we are choosing this this very one, the single bed. So we'll take it two. So since they are still growing, so this one is better. So we take this one. We'll take. That's in a seven.
Why did you break here? My loved one. So this we are still planning to buy a wardrobe also. So we want to choose this very well because there are two boys. So we are choosing this very wardrobe. Don't you have wardrobe? Have three places to arrange. So it's big enough. It's big enough to arrange clothes. So we are choosing this very one. So to arrange clothes. Money is good. Money is good, oh, my people. Money is good. So we are choosing it, but the money is there, oh, big. So with that bed also, because there are two boys. Before I told you there are two boys. So with this wardrobe, so we are choosing the bed and this wardrobe. So let's see what they will say. So my husband go and call them. Let's see what they will say. So we are waiting for them here. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Like and share to your loved one. May the Lord bless you all. Thank you all for liking and subscribing. God bless you all. God bless you all in Jesus' name. Go move.
Rende io ti use. So diciamo beautiful.
Ok, ma che mi devi dire?
Guys,
Is it on?
yes.
But this one is not for shoe. This one is to arrange your thing. So we are going on. So everywhere is beautiful here. Money is good though. It just be me to pack everything to go to my house. Money is good. Hello guys. Love you guys. Love you all. Thank you very much for subscribing my YouTube channel. God bless you all. I love you all. And this place we did today is very beautiful. The place is nice. Everywhere is scented, everywhere is shining because of the things of new things here. So if you have money, eat your money, chop your money, chop your money. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow.
This is beautiful.
Me and my children. Now me and my children they me and my guests, we are this side. So the boys and their father, they are the other side. Where they are going? This very one is for. We are still looking for. As I tell you, we are still looking for where to put arrange shoe. So shoe, we are looking for where to arrange shoe. So I see you, catch you all, love you all. God bless you all. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and share to your loved one. Bye. Subscribe. Bye.
Bye.
Now me and the family, everybody.
Bye.
Bye guys. Bye guys. No put your brother. Bye guys. Bye. We love you all. We love you all. All of us, we love you all. God bless you all for loving us. God bless you all. Bye. Bye. Oh yeah, give